I'm checking the brakes out in the trailer I have. It's a 5-ton trailer. I was going to take the tire off, but I don't think I have to. Go on. Anyway, just beat that cap off. Try not to dent the dust cap up too much. The inside of this thing comes off. I don't know if you can get a puller on there or not. It should just pry right off. I did not loosen that, by the way. But they're not, you back them off anyway. Once you tighten them up, you snug them and then you back them off a little bit. Try not to get your bearings packed with dirt. Oh my. I wonder why them... Yeah, I wonder why I didn't want to stop. I'd say somebody filled that bad boy up with grease. I wonder who could did that. Holy smoke. Mess. Alright, word. The seal. Yeah, the seal's pushed back in there. That is the seal right there. Well, now you see the problem. Brakes actually didn't wear out. Well, this is putting it back together. This is a little magnet. As the drum turns, it's magnetized when you hit the brakes, and it grabs and it actually pushes the shoe into the drum. That's an extreme swing on it there, but it's a matter of a little magnetism, which locks them up. It locks them up pretty good. But anyhow, I'll start putting these ones back together. I cleaned them up. They were loaded with grease. They should work fine. I just used some brake spray cleaner on them. I mean, I compared them to new ones, and there's hardly any wear on these at all. I mean, they look like the new ones, and they did come pretty clean. That brake cleaner seems to clean them up real good. So I got new parts for the brake. Got a new adjuster. Comes with an adjuster and a spring, and new hold-on springs, clips I guess they're called. For some reason they gave me enough to do 2 sides. About 13 bucks for both. And also I picked up new brakes for that side. This is the only part that actually every wheel had something different with it wrong. The first wheel I took off, the fourth wheel was the only one I had brakes on. Okay, so that one is basically on. Now this other one, and press them into that spring and they'll stay in there. It seems like pretty decent. Yeah, 3 hands would be nice. Then again, it'd probably get in the way all the time. Okay. This was froze up solid too. This wasn't moving. I'll make sure it's in there the whole way. As far as it wants to go anyway. So, this has a slight bow to it. I don't know if it matters which is which. Is that the collar? And I think this one went on first. Don't know if that matters either, but no. This thing, I believe, is what you need. This, I still haven't figured out what good that does. Maybe it just ain't for this type of shoe. I don't know. You can use a screwdriver, a flat. I'm not going in and get one. You can use a flat screwdriver. Take it. This might work. Matter of fact, that looks like it's made for that. It is made for that. Nothing like finding out on the last one. And this does take them off fairly good. They are hard to get off. You just stick that in. I think I did show that. But that's. That's basically done with the top. Now this bottom just gets this spring on it, and if I remember right, yeah, through this bottom hole. It's an oblong hole, so a pair of channel locks work the best. You don't have to worry. slipping. Well, not so much anyway. So, looks like it should work. Sure, I'm not pinching wires anywhere there. I mean, they're not going to go that far, I don't think. And I think I will turn these down a little bit. I don't know if I showed adjusting these, but this crooked screwdriver is all it is. Fits through a slot in the back, and you can see it if you shine a light. There's two openings usually, or a long enough one, and it fits right through the back, and it'll grab this that notched part. You can stick it through, and coming through the other way, it'll just grab that notch on there, and you can turn that up and down. The hard part of that is to figure out which parts makes it tight, which is gone. And you want it so you don't even hear nothing rubbing in that one. You want it so you can start, it'll actually stop the tire almost. You want them pretty tight. This one isn't adjusted up yet. The other side I adjusted, this side I didn't. But that's basically it. This is under the trailer, and these are two caps. And yeah, pop both them caps out, and then you can reach your adjusting tool in there. You can see, I don't know if you can see it there, but you might be able, you can see in there, you can see a gearing in there. And that's what you put your, you try to hook your wrench on, which isn't that as hard as it looks, but you can see it there, and then you either go up or down. You have to figure that part out. And you can adjust it to where you can hear it scraping. And it almost wants to stop the wheel. You want them fairly tight, but not so that they're rubbing and wearing your brakes out. And that's about all there is to it.